good morning, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskaram, I'm Bani.
Namaskaram everyone, my name is Nikhil and you are watching This Audi TV.
Yeah.
This is your one-stop channel for all your reaction, reviews and teardowns.
And revisit as well.
Irrespective of where you live in India or anywhere
or in the world.
Right. So guys, we came to know about Acharya teaser.
Yes.
Okay? So one of our friend, he works with me, and giving a shout out to Anil. Anil, thank you so much for recommending this and dropping me on the WhatsApp. Let's do this. And we were supposed to do this, but ये थोड़ा हम जल्दी कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? क्योंकि हम बहुत आलसी हैं, ठीक है? So this is Acharya teaser featuring Megastar Chiranjeevi.
Yes.
ठीक है? हमने चिरंजीवी को हमने मूवीज में देखा, लेकिन दिल्ली के अंदर वो डब होके मैक्स चैनल के ऊपर आती हैं, ठीक है?
सोनी मैक्स,
हाँ, तो हम डब्ड वर्जन देखते हैं गाइस, और we do not know how it is because we love South Indian movies and most of the Bollywood movies are influenced from South Indian movies.
Yes, that is true. That's the reality.
So this is a teaser which is trending right now on 19 the moment we are doing it.
Yes, and it is basically
23 घंटे में 7 million views.
Amazing. This is amazing.
Okay.
This is basically Acharya teaser starring Megastar Chiranjeevi.
Mega Powerstar Charan.
Okay.
Kajal Aggarwal. She is beautiful. She's related to Isha. So Namaskaram Akka.
Namaskaram Akka.
मैंने अक्का क्यों बोला आपको यार? Shit.
Yes, shit.
खराब हो गया मतलब. Alright guys.
It is available on the official channel of Konidela Production Company.
Konidela Production Company. Directed by Koratala Siva. Alright guys, without wasting any time, jumping into the video.
Yes. Just a second guys, before jumping to the video, दो छोटी चीजें करनी है आपको. First thing, if you are new to our channel or even old to our channel, have not subscribed our channel, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you never miss the latest content from us. Yeah, improvement. And second thing is, you can connect with us on Instagram with the Instagram handle as Insta with Nick. Now jumping to the video.
You got it. ये पता कैसे शूट किया होगा, मतलब I'm just trying to look at ये कैसे शूट किया होगा. It is like a drone. ऐसे आता है क्या? It's like बहुत बड़ा जूम आता है.
ड्रोन जूम इन किया.
ड्रोन ने कहाँ से जूम इन किया?
देखते हैं.
ये मल्टीपल शॉट्स हैं.
देखते मुझे भी समझ नहीं आया. बहुत बड़ा प्यार है.
Fucking far. और ये मल्टीपल शॉट्स हैं. 100% ये मल्टीपल शॉट्स हैं. सिंगल शॉट में नहीं ले सकते तुम ये चीज.
But this is beautiful.
अगर ले सकते हो तो
do let us know also.
किससे लेते हो?
ఇతరుల కోసం జీవించేవారు దైవంతో సమానం.
Is there we're gonna be a Hindi version? Okay, there is no Hindi version to it. शायद हमें नहीं मिला, but we'll try to understand with the pictures.
Yes.
Or let's see.
ఇతరుల కోసం జీవించేవారు దైవంతో సమానం. అలాంటి వారి జీవితాలే ప్రమాదంలో పడితే ఆ దైవమే వచ్చి కాపాడాల్సిన పని లేదు.
He's almost 65.
He is a superstar and we've seen a lot of movies from him.
और मुझे ना look at this. Look at this. नहीं, look at this. एक चीज दिखाता हूँ, ठीक है? Guys, stay with me on this.
ఇతరుల కోసం జీవించేవారు దైవం.
This shot, ठीक है? अब यहाँ से जब कैमरा ऐसे बाहर जाएगा ना और एकदम वाइड होगा, तो वो ट्रांजिशन देखना. मैं उसको वही देख रहा था.
తో సమానం. అలాంటి వారి జీవితాలే ప్రమాదంలో పడితే ఆ దైవమే వచ్చి కాపాడాల్సిన పని లేదు.
Oho! Okay, I just want to see when he punched it. Did the water dropped after he was hit to the tree, or was it like before pouring down? Okay, there is. There is no water. I mean, when he
punched it,
and then the water like after rain, there is water on the leaves. Then it comes down. Aha! I just love the screenplay. I just love the screenplay.
Even I'm
When I say screenplay, not the people in the like the way that this is cinematized, this the camera angles, the everything, like it is
each and
super
every
detailed.
scene basically.
हमें समझ नहीं आ रहा, but we're
we are
trying to
just
cook this
enjoying
up.
it.
हम बाद में बात करेंगे इसके बारे में.
పాఠాలు చెప్పే అలవాటు లేకపోయినా అందరూ ఎందుకో ఆచార్య అంటుంటారు. బహుశా గుణపాఠాలు చెప్తాననేమో.
That was like Acharya.
Devo Bhava and Acharya Raksho Bhava.
मतलब Acharya is like the
Like
teacher.
God,
Acharya is like
and
teacher.
he
It's
is
like the tutor. It's like Dev is like is saman to God.
Yes,
and
it is the protector.
it is the protector.
Like the protector of the realm.
Okay, so I just loved.
Yes.
ठीक है, मैं excited हो गया हूँ, ठीक है, बात करने के लिए. तो मैं तेरे को मौका नहीं दूंगा बात करने का.
But I will definitely speak.
तो तेरे को जल्दी बोलना तो बोल दे अब.
Oh, you will speak.
अच्छा guys, so पहली चीज I loved. I mean we didn't understand it, ठीक है. The language he was speaking.
Okay.
We understood कि एक छोटा कस्बा है. There is a small village.
Yes.
where there are certain rituals of every village are different, ठीक है. तो वहाँ पे वो rituals हो रहे हैं, and that was like shot बहुत दूर से. So there is a mob that attacked and killed everyone. But there is one Acharya there who is actually the protector there, ठीक है. He called himself Acharya the tutor, and he said like he is a deva there, like people look to him as a devata.
Yes.
And the protector.
Yes.
So this was what I grasped from this teaser. And this movie, they didn't show Kajal. I was waiting for Kajal to show up and I'll say hi and she'll not respond back. Alright, now, what do you have to say?
No, it's fine. And basically, I think this is based on true story. First of all, there could be a small story behind it because the culture they were showing, it's an Indian culture, but an old Indian culture. I don't exactly know which culture they're representing because एक एरिया दिखाया, एक वो दिखाया, एक टाउन दिखाया, एक विलेज दिखाया जिसके अंदर they were performing few rituals also with the goddess थी वहाँ पे and different things. तो उसमें that is true कि वहाँ पे एक देवो भवा है, आचार्य is there who's the protector, but मुझे लग रहा है कि that is based on true story. हो सकता है.
Could be.
And मुझे सबसे best part पता है क्या लगता है कि just talking about the South Indian movies, they have set bars. Like they have set bars की वे
KGF.
Like KGF, RRR.
हाँ, यार RRR का
Acharya, Master.
Master.
So this is like we are looking for these movies like Bahubali.
जिसको हम अभी भी you won't believe
we watch Bahubali 1 and 2. Sometimes what happens is
हम ऐसे बैठे हैं ना
nothing.
और हमारे पास Netflix पे दिख रहा है कि यार हमने ये चीज नहीं आई है, ठीक है. हम कहेंगे स्टार्ट करते हैं, मान के बाहुबली ला लो.
Bahubali.
Then we'll switch to Bahubali and we'll sit and watch.
Yes, 1, 2 together.
We know what would happen.
1 and 2 together.
We know what dialogue would they say, what Dev Sena would say.
Yes.
Then we know everything about it, but we'll still watch
the
it.
Screenplay, the entire movie makes you stick to watch the movie completely. And in the same way, I expect this movie also that we'll just stick to the
I'm
movie.
hoping
and
this would be like pan India release, so it's gonna have a Hindi version of it.
Yes.
And a humble request to all the South Indian audience, I'll not call it audience, South Indian media production houses, that guys, I think they have started making movies in Hindi as well. Because आप पता क्या होता है, उसका फिर एक नया डिसाइपर्ड वर्जन यहाँ पर आता है बॉलीवुड के अंदर.
उसमें मजा नहीं आता. हाँ,
उसमें मजा की बात नहीं है. अभी we are not trying to make fun of it, we are actually trying to make fun of it, ठीक है. जिसमें एक मूवी कौन सी थी, कूली नंबर 1, ठीक है. So Coolie number 1 we learned from South Indian movie.
Yes.
Okay, we learned Coolie number 1 was a movie from Govinda.
Yes.
By David Dhawan.
Yes.
Then it came and broke all the records when it got released from Varun Dhawan.
Yes.
Varun Dhawan released it and broke all the records on IMDb कि आज तक किसी मूवी को 1 स्टार नहीं मिला है, 1.8 रेटिंग. तो उसने वो रिकॉर्ड ब्रेक कर दी. बहुत बड़ी बात है. उसको पता था आगे की तरफ से नहीं कर सकता, मतलब 10 वाला टच नहीं करूंगा तो मैं पीछे वाला टच कर लेता हूँ.
Because after knowing this fact, when this Coolie number 1 second released, that was a copy from the movie of Govinda.
हाँ, सब लोग कह रहे copy. Then people started commenting
that Govinda's movie was also copied of a South Indian movie. So that was the third copy.
तो हमें लगा यार कुछ तो बना लो अपना.
Jokes apart, talking about this movie, I just love the cinematography. I just love the screenplay, and I am literally waiting for Chiranjeevi.
True.
Yes, I'm
True.
literally waiting for sir. Yes. Because he is a tremendous mega star of South Indian movie.
Right. So, alright, guys, we'll wrap this up. हमने टीजर में बहुत बात कर ली है, हमने उसको तोड़ भी दिया है पूरा. So, if you guys if you guys are still with us और आप enjoy कर रहे हैं, तो please hit that like button और comment करके बताइए कि how we are doing, is there a way to improve or not, right? And consider subscribing, guys. तुम्हारा एक सब्सक्रिप्शन हमारा
एक मोटिवेशन,
ऐसे करना है, ऐसे
एक स्माइल लाता है एंड मोटिवेशन लाता है,
ताकि हम नया कंटेंट
बनाते रहें.
Alright, guys, wrapping this up. This is me, Nikhil, signing off.
Me, Vani, signing off.
Adios.